5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engines up and running, and liftoff of the Falcon 9 to the space station, preparing for the arrival of commercial crews while continuing experiments for long-term living in space. Falcon 9 having cleared the tower.
Clear the pad. Coming off pad net. Avionics, telemetry, and power recovered.
Communications from telemetry data. We have a good flight going. Vehicle going through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. Vehicle's transonic.
Stage 1 propulsion's nominal. MVAC chill has begun.
Avionics, power and telemetry look good.
Flight telemetry data looks good. Vehicle on course, on track. Engine cut off in about 15 seconds. And we've got it. Main engine cut off.
We have stage separation.
Stage 1 has entered its flip. Stage 1 boost back is starting.
First stage, that call for the first stage for a return to landing on Complex 13 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Stage 2 propulsion looks good.